Everybody, this is Sean Heidemann. I am at my new rental listing at 5209 West Molly Lane. Now, this property is in Stetson Valley. Rental properties in this neighborhood do not come on the market very often. It's a very popular area. It is in the Sandra Day O'Connor High School District as well, Deer Valley Unified School District area. Stetson Valley is known for the mountains. That's a Deems Hill over there. It's a popular hiking trail. And then I'll show you from the backyard, but there's some mountains over here in the back from the backyard. So this is the property. It's got a nice tree in the front yard. We're asking $2,400 a month. It's 4 bedrooms and 2 bath, and it's roughly 2,000 square feet. It's got a nice little sitting area here in the front. Also, the property comes optional furnished, so the owner's got some nice pots there in the front, and these are the furniture options that the owner is offering. It's got this. He's using this area, this den area, as an office. It's got a nice desk there, and it's got a nice bookshelf there. He's got some of his stuff up there, but that stuff can go. Here is a dining table. It's got a real nice chandelier. Here's the kitchen area. It's a nice little kitchen island. Stainless steel appliances. And then the living room area over here, he has a nice wraparound couch, end table, and lamp. Here's also a large big screen TV. Now, the furnishings are optional. If you have your own furniture, we understand. And also, we are willing to do shorter term on the rental as well, since it's furnished. We understand a lot of transient people are looking for furnished rentals. Nice little grass area. And here's the mountain view that I was telling you about from the backyard. Nice mountain view there. It has a nice patio. Enjoy a cup of coffee on the weekends or relax. Watch your kids play around in the grass, practicing kicking their soccer ball or whatever they're into. And then the bedrooms are over here on this side. Comes with a nice washer dryer. Some nice beds it comes with. Shutters in all the windows. The hallway. We have another bedroom over here. Nice sleigh bed. End tables on the side. And here's a hallway bath. And this is the master over here. A nice walk-in closet. Over here could be another bedroom. Does have a door to it. It comes off of the master. The owner has a bunk bed that he can set up, but right now it's taken down. If you have some kids that you'd want to put in this area here, only thing it needs is a door right here in order to be classified as a bedroom. And then here's the master bath. It's got nice double sinks, his and her. Makes it easy getting ready in the morning. It's got a nice soak tub, and then it's got over here, nice stand-up shower, and then a private toilet area. So that concludes the virtual tour for this new rental listing. If you're interested in this property, I have all my contact information under more details. Just click on that button. I have all my social media, all my contact details down there. If you're not interested and you are looking for something, give me a call. I'd be happy to point you in the right direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button below, and whenever I do a new video, you'll be updated on the new videos. Thank you for watching.